And we have got a sexy Z28 tribute for you today. Just look at this thing. They look so good in black with the white stripes. And it has a pile of paperwork. It's all performance, upgraded motor, suspension, transmission, rear end. It'll spank a stock Z28. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll see the pricing and all the specs on this car and a few hundred other collector cars, and they're all for sale. There's plenty of ways on our website to contact us. If you have any questions or concerns, we can help with financing. We can ship it anywhere in the world. We can describe the cars to you. Reach out to us. Let us help you. Let's take this one for a spin. It is like a mirror. I can read a book in the reflection of the paint. It's straight. It's gorgeous. I bought this car down south. Super clean underneath. It's got a custom exhaust with the X pipe. Sounds great. We'll start it up in a minute. Guy just spent $8,000. I have the paperwork, the receipts, to put a brand new 5-speed trans with a dual disc clutch. You got a brand new 411 Auburn Posi rear end. The motor's got a pile of paperwork. It's all high performance stuff in the motor. Trunk compartment is super clean. It's all been very cleanly spatter painted. It's got a nice durable coat. All the metal is beautiful. The rubber mat fits real nice. Has some miscellaneous extra stuff. Painted nice. Has the weather strip is replaced. Has the exterior trim package, which includes the moldings, the louvers, and the roof gutters. No vinyl top, cowl hood, spoilers. Again, it's sexy. The interior has been all redone. Has embroidered Z28 floor mats. Has a deluxe steering wheel. It's got disc brakes up front. Again, this comes with a pile of paperwork. All the specs on the motor. There's a whole bunch of really good. They use like all the best parts building the motor. HEI ignition, headers, a polished aluminum intake, power steering, power brakes. Everything in here is real neat, tidy, and clean. New windshield. Looks like all the trim is new. Oh, that's a new fuel injection system on there too. That was just put on. Comes with the receipts. Let's start this thing up. You're gonna like it. New cushions in the seats, new dash pad, heater controls look new, the whole instrument bezel's new, so all the chrome trim is sparkling. There's a stock AM radio in the factory hole. Owner's manual in the glove box. But I know you want to hear it run. Real snappy, responsive. It's got 526 miles on this car since it's been built. The visors, the mirror, headliner, it's all new. He put LED bulbs in the interior. The instruments light up real nice. Everything, window cranks, armrests, it's all new. Sill plates are new. Has the correct seat belts in here. I said that's a brand new 5-speed. That 5th gear is nice when you're cruising. You click it in that 5th gear and you can cruise down the highway all day long. All the panels fit nice and square and flush. This is a show and go car. This is literally ready, turnkey. Go to your first car show. Go do a couple burnouts. It'll do it. The color's important. Anytime we get a black one like this with white stripes, it seems to sell right away. People are looking for these black cars, and there are not many out there. Just so clean and snappy, and I mean, it just sounds great. So go to volocars.com, check out this car and the pricing before someone beats you to it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be doing like 6 or 7 videos today, so it's the best way to see them first. Thank you, and stay tuned.